Hey guys, how are you? I bet you're wondering what this is, huh? This is the Julie Lynn Ageless System Beauty Wand. I had to read the box because I always forget how to say it. This is in a string of what's some of the new technology that's going out right now, straight from Japan, from Julie Lynn. She has been in the beauty industry for years and years and years. Personal friend of mine, and I was actually given this device, and I'm giving a review of it right now. I did not pay for it. They did not pay me, and I'm totally obsessed with this. If you like the Jade Roller, you're absolutely gonna love this. This is actually a microcurrent roller. It actually kneads your skin with microcurrent. The thing is, as you can see, it's cordless. So you don't have to worry about a cord and getting tangled up. It actually runs off of solar light and off of room light. So what is this gonna do? It's going to firm, it's gonna tighten, it's gonna help stimulate. It oxygenates the skin. It's really good for all types of skin. So if you have sagging, if you have wrinkles, if you have even acne, it's gonna help because it's gonna stimulate and it's actually gonna oxygenate the skin. So what am I doing? I'm going in an upward direction. That's essentially all you need to know. Always with any type of roller, but especially with this one, because this has a microcurrent in it, you want to go upward because you want to pull everything up. You don't want to pull it down. That doesn't make sense, right? So what makes this different than a traditional roller, Jade Roller? This has a microcurrent in it, and that means it has a little current that's actually stimulating your muscles on a deeper level than if you were just using a Jade Roller. And so it's actually stimulating the muscles, retargeting the muscles, and having the muscles kind of rethink about how they're holding up your face, in other words. I kind of like to say it's like Pilates for your skin. So when you do Pilates, it lengthens, it tightens, it firms your muscles, and it has your muscles kind of rework how they control your body, and that's exactly what this is doing. So if you see, it's the simplest thing in the world. You just do about 10 to 15 times, relatively slowly, but just kind of normally, 10 to 15 times, and that's all you need to do twice a day if you want. I do it sometimes once a day, but anyway, it's a phenomenal thing. I'm totally obsessed with it. You've probably seen some of my posts on Instagram about it. And all you need to do is just go upward in an upward direction, and you can literally feel it working. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't like shock you or anything, but you can feel it working, and you can see the results pretty instantly within a few days. As soon as you're doing it, you can probably see it on my skin now. It starts giving you this radiant glow because it is very stimulating to the skin, but not in a bad way. So even if you have sensitive skin, you can use this microcurrent Ageless System Skin Kneader. I think that's what she calls it. Anyway, you guys have to get this, and anyone who has seen this is gonna get 10% off of the price of this. So I'm gonna leave the code right down here so you can check it out, and you have to get this. This is way better than a Jade Roller because this actually has the current going through it. And if you've looked into getting a microcurrent machine, they're expensive. And this does everything that a microcurrent machine does without the cord. And it feels really good too, by the way. Very massaging. It helps with the lymph fluids and get all the puffiness out. So you have to get one of these. It's one of the only ones on the market from Julie Lynn Ageless System. I'll leave all the information below. You gotta get it.